Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to share with you recipe of mushroom garlic butter, and this is a diet special recipe and very tasty recipe also. So without any delay, let's check it out.
For garlic butter mushroom we need 1 chopped onion, chopped garlic, chopped mushroom, rock salt. I have made this into powder, grounded black pepper and coriander leaves. Add half of the butter. Then I am going to add chopped onion and garlic to this. We have to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am going to add chopped mushroom also to this. Then again let us cook this. For at least 5 minutes. Then here I am using salt according to taste. After that, half tablespoon grounded pepper. Let us stir this. Now we are going to add the remaining half of the butter and give it a good mix. The smell of butter is really awesome. It is going to taste very good. Then I am going to garnish this with coriander leaves before serve.
For more health videos, please press the subscribe button, and also don't miss to press the bell icon when you subscribed it.